Why, hello there. So this is something I've been seeing going around YouTube for a while, is the I recreated so-and-so's makeup challenge or just makeup recreation videos. As soon as I saw this video, the thumbnail blew me away. I immediately wanted to try it, so I clicked and I loved her. She's such a sweetheart, and I love that she only did the eyes for this video. So if you'd like to see how I got this look by recreating her video, please keep on watching. So I like that in her video she only focused on her eyes, so I'm going to do the same. So I'm going to start off with a clean face and some eyeshadow primer. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden.
Now for the shadows, I'm going to use my Makeup Shack T33 brush, and I'm taking this red eyeshadow from the Morphe 35B palette.
So I don't have these fancy Makeup Shack brushes that she has, nor do I have the Morphe colorful palette, but I do have this Wet n Wild palette from I got from the drugstore for like $4 or $5 called Temporary Solutions, and it does have a red in it, so I'm going to start off with that. Alright, so she said to put the red shadow in the crease. Ooh, I love this shadow from Wet n Wild. It's so pigmented. Says every YouTuber ever. And she said to wing it out, so I'm gonna wing it out too. I feel like I might have more space. And she also has her eyebrows done first, which I never do. I always do my eyeshadow first, then my eyebrows. Maybe I'll do my eyebrows real quick just so I can be just like her. And I am going to do my brows off camera, but I'm going to use my Kat Von D Brow Pomade Super Brow in the shade Walnut. So I've done my brows now, in case you couldn't tell. And now I'm going to go back to stamping that red eyeshadow along my crease and winging it out at the end, just like she told me to. Right, Alexandra? Right.
I'm taking my Morphe.
Don't have that Morphe brush. I have that palette! Yes! Whenever I see these videos of people recreating other people's makeup, they always either they have all the things or they have only a few of the things. I have one of the things. The Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. So now we're taking the orange to blend out the red. I'm so excited. I like how she blends, so precise.
Now taking my Morphe M506 brush.
Hers looks so much better than mine. Why? That does not look like pink to me. Oh, it kind of is. Never mind. It looked more purple in the pan. Maybe if I mix these two together, I'll get something similar to that shadow that she has. Because I don't have the Morphe 35B palette. I wish I did. So it's on top of the red. Okay. I'll put it on top of the red. I'll just go back and forth between the pink and the purple. And go on top of the red. Hey, that kind of looks like it. Yes. Hooray for substitutes when you don't have the palette that they use in the video. And I'm just going in once I've got that mix of purple and pink on my eyelids. Going in with that brush that I used to put the orange eyeshadow on there, and I'm just mixing it together. Yay! Another thing that I have that she's using, the purple. I'm taking the purple too, girlfriend. So I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Thankfully, I already have a dirty brush that has purple on it, so that's perfect. Just gonna dip into that shadow and pack it on my lids, because that's what she's doing. I want to look like her, so, you know. Wait! Wait, woman! You go too fast! Wait for me. I don't have the Kat Von D Metal Matte palette. So because I don't have the Metal Matte palette by Kat Von D, very sad, I know, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Nubian 2 palette because it has a similar color, I think. It's called Layla. It's a really dark metallic purple. So I'm going to try, or maybe Jezebel. Maybe I'll do a mix of these two and put it on the halo eye like she was saying to do. She's blending it out, but I don't know if I want to do that because I'm lazy and I kind of like how it looks. It's a little harsher than hers, but I like it like that. And she's gonna do more of the orange shadow. Alright, I can do that. I can do this. Yes, the yellow. I've been waiting for that. I need a clean, fluffy brush to put that yellow on top. This palette, I'm gonna use the yellow shade and just do that to blend out the orange. And just very, very gently buffing that in. Is that all she does? Oh, she takes it right up to the brow. Alright. Girl, why are you putting concealer on your eye? What? No. I'm not gonna do that. I'm rebelling. I'm not gonna put concealer on my eye. Poor, why wouldn't you just put blue eyeshadow on there first? So she has the Milani eye topper. I brought out my Stila ones because I don't have the Milani ones. And I'm gonna use this one, which is called Into the Blue. So almost exactly the same, and I didn't need to use all that concealer. Alright, so I'd say the only difference between mine and hers, because I was a rebel and didn't do what she said, is that hers is a little more of a cut crease than mine is, but to be honest, I think it looks really pretty this way. I'm gonna take the dark purple shade from the Nubian 2 palette again. It's called Layla, and just blend that into the edges of the stila so it's not so harsh. Starting off with orange. Perfect. Yeah, I've never put concealer on before foundation. I always do that after. I don't know if I'm just weird. That's just how I like to do it. Ah, you know what I should have done first that she didn't do? I should have gone in with a pencil. I'm gonna take my favorite OCC Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics in Grandma. Whew, the suction is real on these things, guys, just saying. And put that on my lower lash line, because that just helps the shadow grip a little bit better when it has a base like this. And it also intensifies the shadow. And then I'm gonna do the same with the red eyeshadow that I used earlier from the Wet n Wild palette. And then she's going in with the pink. Sounds good to me. Alright, so there's more blending. We're not done yet. I'm gonna go back into the yellow and just do the bottom here. Gonna blend that out as well. Does not look like hers at all. And now she's adding that shadow that I don't have in her waterline, so I'm going to take my OCC pencil in Lydia, put that in my waterline instead. As the finishing touch, I'm going to add some eyelashes with some eyelash glue. I'm also going to do the rest of my face and put foundation on and all that jazz. So this is the finished look, guys. Pretty happy with it. I liked her tutorial a lot. I feel like it was very concise and to the point, and I like that she only did her eyes too. So I'm very happy with how it came out, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you guys have tried any looks by her, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!